Hello, community. My name is Murian-Coush Addem, and I am faculty of Technological Enterprising and Informatic. And my goal today is to show you how to download and install the Power BI desktop. And for that, we can already Microsoft Power BI desktop download. It's a free download from the official site. Click the download button, and this is just installing an 800 megabyte suite, which is quite not so much a lot for the program that we will use because it has very many functions inside of it. But let's just wait how it does. Should just not take longer than 20 to 30 seconds. And in the meantime, I can explain to you how to use the Power BI Desktop because Power BI Desktop is a tool to visualize the data from based on dimension and fact tables from the data warehouse. So it can look in the end like fancy visualization, interactive, and so on. And you can build some nice, powerful tools. And in general, it is used very much because of the Microsoft integrations. So yeah, this is quite a tool used in the industry. I can really recommend treating yourself with some of this content. And yeah, installing it is free, as I said. Only the online version for the enterprise is costing money. And as soon as you install the exe file, we will already just click on it and install it quickly. So you have to be the administrator of the machine, and then you compute the sacred space requirements also with different type of software. Yes, perfect. It did it. So then you accept the terms, you install it, create maybe not a desktop shortcut if you want to keep it clean, like me. And then it should not take that long to install the suite on your PC. Perfect. Launch it. And there you have it. You get the data source here, as I said, the data warehouse, whatever, and then you can create a report. Dark mode for us is light mode. Perfect. And then, yeah, you can try use it. I would recommend. So, guys, very thank you for this small presentation. Just keep up with it, and yeah, see you later. Bye.